Hello everyone, welcome to AKSA's English class. I hope all of you are doing well. How is life? Yes, good. That's great. if the person always say it can be done. We would have no radio or motor cars, no street lit by electric stars. Okay, if the person say it can be done, then we would not have radio or motor cars, and our street would have been dark, and no street lit by electric stars, means electric bulbs, electric light. There would have been no electricity. If we say it can be done and not taken any initiative, then we would not have radio, we would not have motor cars, and even we would not have electricity to lit the street and to give us light. No telegraph, no telephone. No telegraph, no telephone. We would linger in the age of stone. So there would have been no telegraph and telephone, and we would have been living in the Stone Age. We would have stayed behind the Stone Age. There could have been no progress in our life. We could have been living just like the man who lived in the Stone Age. So no telegraph, no telephone. We would linger in the age of stone. So in the Stone Age, we could have been lingering in case if you had not taken any initiative and say no to everything and say it can't be done. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can be done. The world would have gone to sleep. The world would sleep if things were run by, all the things in the world were run by men who say it can be done. Then there could have been no progress. The whole world would have been in darkness. There would have been no progress taking place in the world. So we reached at the present stage because of the positive work done by. That is why we reach the present stage. The world has become so beautiful. The life becomes a celebration because the people, they came forward to do their role to make this world a better place to live in. I hope all of you understood the lesson and liked the poem, It Can Be Done. Let's do the exercise now. Before that, you have to read your textbook, read the poem again and again, study the meaning, and then let's do the exercise. Answer the following in one sentence each. Okay, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Question number 1. Who misses all the fun? Answer: the man who says it can't be done misses all the fun. Question 2. What does the title of the poem say? What does the title of the poem say? Answer: the title of the poem says that we can do everything in this world if we have a will to do it. The title of the poem says that we can do everything in this world if we have a will to do it. Question number 3. What does the man who misses all the fun do? Answer: the man who misses all the fun stands separately as an important person without involving in anything and looks at every task with criticism. Question number 4. Why does he miss all the fun? Why does he miss all the fun? Answer: he misses all the fun because he always say it can't be done and stands aloof and welcomes every venture with reproof or with negative comments. Question number 5. What would he do if he had the power to do it? Answer: if he had the power, he would wipe out the history of human race. Question number 6. What examples of man's progress have been given in this poem? What examples of man's progress have been given in the poem? Answer: the inventions of radio, motor car, electricity, telegraph, and telephone are the examples of man's progress given in the poem. Okay, question is, what examples of man's progress have been given in the poem? Answer, the invention of radio, motor car, electricity, telegraph and telephone are the examples of man's progress given in the poem. Question number 7. What should human beings do in order to make progress? Answer, in order to make progress, human beings must first of all say, it can be done, and greet every venture wholeheartedly and get involved in the work of progress. So answer once again, question is, what should human beings do in order to make progress? Answer, it's a very important answer. In order to make progress, human beings must first of all say, it can be done, and greet every venture wholeheartedly and get involved in the work of progress. Textbook, question number 3. Prepare a list of things which can be and will be done in future. 5 things. Okay, this is the question from textbook, question number 3. Prepare a list of things which can be and will be done in future. 5 things you have to write. First one, India will send man in space. 2. Man may go to Mars and he will live there. Third one, we will make our country number 1 in the world. Fourth one, there can be aliens. There can be aliens to help human. Okay, there can be aliens to help human. 5. People will fly like birds in the air. People will fly like birds in the air. Colorful words are modal verbs. Okay, you are asked to underline the modal verbs. So all the words written color and underlined, they are modal verbs. You can see here first sentence, will, may, will, again will, and next one can and will. All these words are modal verbs or modal auxiliaries. Question number 4, this is textbook question number 4. Complete using your ideas. I can, then this much part was given blank. I can help the poor to learn. 2. They can rule the country. We can live in peace and harmony. Once again, we can live in peace and harmony. Okay, this any sentence you can, it's not necessary you must write these sentences, you can write your own sentences. It is given I can, they can and we can, and you have to write I can and any sentence you can write here. I give an example, I can help the poor to learn. They can rule the country. We can live in peace and harmony. Okay, we can live in peace and harmony. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. You can revise all these questions and answers, watch this video again. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends. Let them also get benefited from this. Those who are not yet subscribed the video, you subscribe it so that whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification.